Well, it's time now for some business news, and let's head straight to Dubai to speak with Jameel Ahmad, Chief Markets Analyst at the GTC Group. Hi, Jameel. A lot of volatility for the Japanese yen in recent days. How are things looking now?
Yeah, we're certainly still on yen watch, Haxi. At the moment, some of the swings are remaining and right now the currency's trading around 157. Just to give some perspective for our viewers from Europe and elsewhere in the world, how significant that move was yesterday morning. Let's say we woke up and the euro's trading at 105, it goes up to 107, then all of a sudden it swings down towards 102. That's a lot of volatility. And right now, we still don't have any official comments as towards whether Japanese authorities, specifically the Bank of Japan, intervened in foreign exchange markets, or whether there was something else behind the move. But that is a great deal of market move and volatility for a currency belonging to one of the biggest economies in the world. If we look at other global markets, we did have a positive session overall for Wall Street. This does show that some of that volatility didn't spill onto risk for other asset classes. And it does appear that Tesla, with Elon Musk's visit unexpectedly to Beijing, has been reacted to very positively by investors because the Tesla stock moved up around 15%. Again, another big market move to begin the week. But if we look at global markets overall, we are set to trade negatively for April, with April trading set to conclude shortly. There is a lot of anticipation as well as anxiety ahead of the highly anticipated US interest rate decision tomorrow on Wednesday.
Well, meanwhile, Jameel, the IMF is raising Asia growth forecasts for this year.
Yes, there is some good news. We see that IMF have raised the percentage points by 0.3%. So we're expecting growth in Asia for 2024 somewhere near 4.5%. Now, that has been revised upwards just within the past couple of months, which does show there's a great deal of growth stories in Asia right now, being led by one, Chinese economic recovery. We had the manufacturing data come out this morning. It did show some positive growth. But more specifically, we have a shining star that's coming to light, which really is the Indian economy. The Indian economy is continuing to pace forward. We see that the economy is going to be the third largest by 2027. At the moment, it's the fifth largest economy. And that would also be picking up economic growth for the Asian region as a whole.
And Jameel, there's some new corporate earnings and economic data coming out this Tuesday. What exactly are we looking out for there?
It's a busy week overall, but this morning I'm going to be looking out for the EU economic data, specifically some of the inflation readings and then the EU GDP. Of course, we have a lot of anticipating that the European Central Bank will be looking to cut interest rates over the coming months, but Wall Street will continue with earnings where we're looking at Amazon later today, but more specifically, we're going to have Starbucks and McDonald's, which both companies and corporations have been impacted by the boycotts taking place due to the events around the Middle East. And investors will be eagerly awaiting for the updates towards what that impact has been on the overall revenues and its forecast for later in 2024.
Jameel, as ever, thank you very much for your insight.